I gave 2 years to this skill and made around 1100 USD plus almost 1 lakh 1000 in INR in the last 3 months by using it in my personal brand and client work. And this isn't drop shipping, crypto, or AI automation or any stock market stuff, and not any of these risky business models everyone hyping up in the internet. This skill is literally hiding in your everyday life. From the good morning reels you scroll through to the Netflix series you binge at night. This is the same skill that made me create this video that hook you just listen to watch the video till now. That's none other than copywriting. Wait a second. You're probably thinking, bro, AI can write everything now. So why should I care? And what even is copywriting? And why learn this even ChatGPT exists? I'm gonna answer all of that in this video, so stick around. And a quick disclaimer. I'm not a copywriting coach trying to sell you a course. I'm just sharing what I learned in my last 2 years of my copywriting experience. And at the end, I will give you free resources and the real and authentic copy gurus channel names, and you should follow and learn from. So here's how the whole video will look like. First, we will cover what is copywriting, then why does it matter, third, how to actually do it, then in the fourth, the AI fear, the very important part of the video, and how to make money with it and where to learn. So, what is copywriting? It's not poetry, it's not creative writing, it's persuasive words that made people to take some kind of action, like buy, click, sign up today, subscribe, whatever you want them to do. Every ad you see in the Instagram, they say, hey, go and apply for this. And every email you read, eh, click on that button. Or every thumbnail or title you see in the YouTube, every fucking thing has the copywriting. Also, the Amazon description, that's all copywriting. And most people don't even notice it's in their everyday life flow. The manga series you watched last night, the description that made you click, it's all copywriting. So why it matters? Because words move money, bro. Copywriting accounts for 25% of a company's revenue each year. Big businesses, CEOs, and company owners are always looking for people who know this skill. Why? Because good copy is equal to more sales, while bad copy is means your money is wasted. And this is not just for big companies. If you want more clients, you need good copywriting. Do you want to grow on Instagram or YouTube? You need good copywriting. Do you want to sell your product or service? You need good copy. So how to actually do it? So copywriting is work in the 80-20 rule. The 80% here is for the research, while 20% is for the writing. Most people think you just sit and type words, and that's completely wrong. Before you write a single word, you need to know who are you writing for, what do they want, what keeps them up at night, what are their fears, their desires, and their problems. You have to do the research properly before write any single thing. So let me give you an example. If you're writing for a Rolex brand, you need to know what their customers actually wants. And the funny thing is, their customer don't want a watch. They want status, power, the feeling of I'm married. Rolex doesn't sell watches at all. They sell the feeling of being rich and successful. That's why their marketing says we don't have stock. And this is only to give the urgency and FOMO. It's to give FOMO, a fear of missing out from something big. And that's nothing but psychology, research, and copywriting. So how do you research? Go to perplexity.ai and search for your audience. It is very good for the numeric data. So if you're researching for any numeric data, this perplexity is the number one priority you can give. Then the same niche you are searching for, you can go to their book reviews or the product reviews. It is in the Amazon comment section and the review section. You have to log in to get all these things. And in the Reddit and Quora, like this platform, there people are open to talk about any stuff. So you can also go and check out the product you are searching for. And especially the YouTube, if you are searching for any, let me take an example, like if you are searching for any fitness product, so go to the product review or the product guys channel, what people are talking about this. It will be the greatest thing you can ever have. So collect all this data, then put it into the cloud, then get the common pattern, the pains, problems, and outcomes, all the things your audience have. Then you know everything, you literally know everything about your audience before writing anything. Now are good to write a copy. So research is a so crucial thing in the copywriting, because if you don't know your customer, you're gonna fucked up with your sales and money. And now you know your audience better than they know themselves. Then you start writing. So the most important part of the video, the AI fear. There's a very common question asked by the new by copywriters. Will AI replace copywriters? Absolutely no. When computers come out, people said the same thing. Computers will replace us. We will lose our jobs. But what actually happened? The people who learned how to use computers with their brain made more money than everyone else. The same thing's happening with AI right now. AI can help you write faster, but it can't replace what makes good copy actually work. And AI doesn't know your personal feelings, what your favorite food is, and how you eat it, who you like, and how your heart beats when you see the people you like. AI will never know that stuff. But a copywriter who does research, who understands feelings, human behavior, and psychology, they know they sit and they will gonna write a very good copy which AI will never write. But if you don't use AI in this era, then you will left behind because AI makes you write faster the things. AI will leverage your writing. And if after some times, the moment I'm recording this video, the AI is not so advanced that it can write very good copy and have a very personal brand tone copy. But some predictions are saying AI can write a very good copy after some times. So what? You can use it for your business so fast and you can make ton of more money because and you can work with a lot of businesses just using AI copywriting. And the copywriter who don't use AI, he will left behind, but the copywriter who use AI, he will go and make a ton of money. So how to actually make money from copywriting? So there are three main ways. First, the freelancing. You will find clients by prospecting them. By prospecting, you write, then you will write copy for them. Once they are agree with you, then they will pay you. You can find these clients on Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn, or just do cold outreach, DM people, email them. That's how I got my first clients. And the second way is working for a company or agencies. A lot of companies need copywriters. You can apply on LinkedIn or job sites, but for this you usually need a degree or some experience. Like the degree thing is only for the LinkedIn, but for the job sites like the Facebook job site, Facebook job board, most of them I found these are the scams. But these are literally a lot of genuine guys out there. If you are experienced enough, if you are filling the criteria of their job, then you can go and apply for it. And also a lot of people get their first client from the job boards. And if you don't have the degree, do an internship first, build a portfolio, do some free work to start at the beginning of your journey. Then you can apply for the job sites. And job sites mostly on the people who have the 1 to 2 years of experience, which I am standing in right now. And if you're just starting out, the best thing is freelancing for you, but it will take you little bit of pain of doing outreach. You have to know how to do prospecting. You have to know how to convince people to buy your stuff and get your services. It's not a one day game. It will take you time. So be patient for it. And the third way will be your own business. That's the best thing you can ever have. Use copywriting to sell your own products or services. And this will be the long term game. It will not happen in 1 day or 1 month you will make money. But it's the most profitable business you can ever have by using copywriting in your own business. Like I'm doing the same thing. Yeah, I'm making YouTube videos. I'm having my person brand. So it's the best thing I can have in my long term. And being honest, me personally, I make money from my running my own newsletter as a copywriter. And if you ever want to know how I run the newsletter and make money for myself, then comment the word newsletter. So I will make a separate video on that. And the copywriting is the core skill of the business. But it's not enough to make more money in this modern era. So you need some kind of secondary skills if you want to stand out from the market and from your competitors. You have to know basic Canva designing, that how to do email templates, how to design a landing page, the color psychology, the color wheels. These are the basic things. Once you know it, it will be easy for you. You can use your copywriting skills, then little bit of designing skills, then you can go further with that. Then email softwares like Beehive, e-commerce. For e-commerce, you have Klaviyo. So there's a lot of email softwares, and their function is almost same, but they differ by their automation and all the stuff. You also have to learn it. You need also the technical skills, also the SEO, the search engine optimization, how to rank on Google, and then the social media and marketing, how the social media works, like Instagram, Facebook. Like you guys are most familiar with that, and how to use YouTube, how to upload in YouTube. But there's also so many players who just go for only for copy, and but the designing part will be done by the designer. But if you're just starting out, you also have to know this things. So when you will write copy, you will also guiding these people how you guys should design it, because copywriter is not only job to write but also to visualize what he need to show. An email software, it's more kind of technical skill. You should only focus on the copy part if you are in any agency who is only saying you to write copy. But if you doing everything, then you have to go with that as a freelance. But as an agency or the big company, they have the separate people who run all these technical things. If you know all the secondary skills, you are not only a copywriter anymore. You will be a full stack marketer and a copywriter. So, where to learn copywriting? But before, I want to give you a quick disclaimer. You can read hundred of books, you can watch hundred of hours of videos, but you will only get better in copywriting by writing and outreaching every single day. So, moving to my top three best copywriting books I have ever read in my last 2 years. The Adweek Copywriting Handbook. This is so underrated. So go for it. Read this book every 4 months. It will be very better thing you can have. And then the second book is Copywriting Secrets by Jim Edwards. It's more on the modern copywriting, how the digital marketing space work. And Take the Money by Kyle Milligan. It has the principles of psychology, which is a very best thing you can have. Then after copywriting, you also know how the market works. So for the marketing, you have three books here. The Breakthrough Advertising by Eugene, Dot-com Secrets by Russell Bronson, Ogilvy on Advertising. So this is whole, it is the 90% of marketing, of modern marketing. I can say it's the Bible of marketing for now. And Breakthrough Advertising, it's more about the customer psyche and your audience. And this is so important, that because understanding an audience and how to do research is here in the Breakthrough Advertising. While Ogilvy, I will give you this book 8 out of 10, but it has the good knowledge to know more about marketing. So right now, the most important part of the thing here, the top 5 copywriting YouTubers you can follow in your journey. And these two are the most active guys in the field right now. In the moment I'm recording, the copy that they are the whole fucking team, and they are doing very good at in this stuff, and they are more active. You can follow them if you're just starting out. Then the second, the Anam Khan, he is new, and you can see he has a minimum subscribers, but he's providing huge value. I will just suggest to go and check out him too. And after that, other three who has the very good principles of copywriting, but they are not actively posting video on the YouTube. You can also check out this channel, because personally it helped me a lot from this channel. Copy Squad by Kyle Milligan, the book you saw here, the Take Their Money's author agency, Copy Squad. Then the Rohan Copywriting, he is also a very goated writer, but he's not posting from last 6 months. Also Cab Legacy. And out of these 5 people, I bought 3 people's course till now, almost 4. And they're all good. They're all good. And one more thing, don't hang out in big servers. You probably find a lot of copywriters and their copywriting communities, but don't hang out in big servers, because there I saw only blind guiding to another blind, because you guys don't know about anything copywriting, any marketing. You guys don't have any proof and any results, but you are guiding to another copywriter who is also new by and new in the space. So talk with the admins of small servers like me. I have a small server, or the guy who has a small server like 200 or 500 people. Go and talk with them who has proven results and who can guide you to be a better writer in your space. Don't ask and talk with multiple random people who don't know set and who never make any kind of results. Talk with them who made results, and they will help you to give you the right path to make more results. And that's all. And if you want daily copywriting lessons from me at no cost, then feel free to subscribe to my newsletter. It's in the first link of the description. And if you want to know exactly how to reach out to clients and actually close them, make sure to watch this video.